One thing I'm gonna tell you though today, there's no perfect time to start a business. Of course, there's certain things that need to happen before actually go start charging for your work. I'm not saying just pick up the camera and go start, call yourself a photographer. Of course, you need to invest some time and probably some money into your education until you feel comfortable. But again, don't be too comfortable because you never will be perfect. Especially once you start seeing consistency in your work, this is a good sign that you're actually ready, okay? The other good sign that you're ready is when people actually asking and inquiring you. You must be doing something right with your photography, so they actually love what you do. And once they love what they do, it's easier to convince them to actually come for a session, whether it's free or paid, or if you give them a discount or something, okay? Like I said, there's no perfect time because a lot of you probably sitting there in your head and waiting, oh my God, I have to wait till I graduate to start my photography business. I have to wait till my daughter turns 5 and goes to school to start my photography business. I literally just started my photography business in 2015 and my daughter was born in 2017. Toughest time in my business, and the first couple years, it's usually the hardest because you need to work extra to kind of gain that momentum, so you can actually build on that. So now my business thrives because of the work I put in 5 years ago. For you, it could be faster, I don't know, but again, it depends on how much work you're willing to put in and how much you are in your head, because the more you are in your head and you're stopping yourself or you're self-sabotaging yourself, the harder it's gonna be for you to grow. My daughter was a baby, you guys, when I was going through the hardest part, when you actually need that grit. And then I was working through with the baby here on the side, here in my sling, I was editing the pictures.